Okay, today we have the 3 top growth stocks to buy in October 2025 according to the Motley Fool. I'm Hugh from Wall Street X, and starting off our list at number 3 is Broadcom AVGO. The WSX one-year forecast for this is 327.21 or a 2.3% decline, and analysts think it's going to decline at 1.5% this time next year to 329.71. We identified the risk as medium, we put the reward as low, and we at WSX put this as a sell because of its high valuation, even though it does have good forecasted earnings and they've beat their last 4 earnings calls. They do have average debt levels, which is great, and great TTM revenue and net income, and most analysts in fact are a strong buy on AVGO right now. And overall, Broadcom has a lot of great things going for it, especially with its latest earnings beats and rising TTM revenue and net income, but it's gonna be that high valuation and recent run up that are really getting in the way of a positive WSX rating from being higher, because it's going to take quite a few more earnings beats to justify that high valuation. And while we have it rated as sell, most analysts, like I said, are extremely bullish on Broadcom right now. And if you think they're going to continue to beat their earnings and you believe in the profitability of their latest AI investments, then this could certainly be a good addition to your portfolio at this time. Number 2 on the list is Tesla, TSLA. The WSX one-year forecast is 345.09 or a 1.6% decline, but analysts think it's going to decline 4.5% to 335.13 this time next year. We put the risk as high, we put the reward as medium. Tesla for us is also going to be a sell because, again, of that high valuation. They do have pretty strong earnings forecasts, but they have missed 2 of their last 4 earnings calls. They have pretty much no debt, a flat TTM revenue and net income, and most analysts have identified this as a hold. Tesla is in an interesting position right now because no matter which way this is going to go, you're pretty much going to guaranteed have a lot of volatility, which inherently does increase the risk of this. However, they do have a lot of exciting investments coming up in AI and robots and all that stuff and robo-taxis. And if you believe in the profitability of these divisions, then absolutely this could be a great growth stock to add to your portfolio. But for us at Wall Street X, our earnings estimates suggest sluggish growth going forward and have rated it a sell given that high valuation, and most analysts are not too far off at a hold right now. And the top stock to buy in October 2025, according to the Motley Fool, is Shopify, SHOP. The WSX one-year for this is 156.16 or a 6.4% upside. Analysts think it's going to decline 0.4% to 146.29. We put the risk as low, we put the reward as medium. That's going to make Shopify a hold for us because it has a fair valuation, good earnings forecasts. They've beat 2 of their last 4 earnings calls. They have low debt and great TTM revenue, and their net income does seem to be improving over the last couple quarters, and most analysts are a moderate buy on Shopify. Overall, Shopify does have a lot to offer, and we think it does still have a bit more room to grow, but it's their earnings surprises that are a bit sporadic. In addition, their earnings growth forecasts are a bit mixed from analysts right now, so it's not clear just how they're going to improve their earnings as a product of their revenue, and WSX has rated this a hold, even though most analysts are a buy at this time. And like we said, it's pretty much going to go a little higher. It definitely has that room to go. But given the risk to reward ratio, we think there's better growth stocks out there to buy at this time. But if you think that their AI division and the efficiencies that are going to come with that are really going to increase that profitability, and they very likely might, then this could be a great addition to your portfolio and could certainly be a top growth stock for October 2025. So there you have it. Those are the 3 best growth stocks to buy in October this year, according to the Motley Fool. If you want to see the best performing stocks of 2025 so far, go ahead and check out this video right here. Otherwise, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you enjoy the content, and I'll see you next video.